Hey guys, okay, today I'm coming at you guys with a beach wave video today. Um you can see my hair is I'm about 2 weeks post relaxer and my hair is pretty much air dried right now. You guys can see. It's pretty much air dry. My hair normally air dries straighter than how you see it right now, but because I washed my hair yesterday, I had to pin it up when I was going to sleep. So it's not as straight as it normally air dries, but this is perfect for the style as I'm doing because I'm doing like a wavy hairstyle, so it doesn't really matter whether or not it's straight or air, but it's pretty straight as you guys can see. Let me show you the back. This it to the side, and this is pretty much the back. And this is my hair length, as you guys can pretty much see. My hair is basically like, I'm not leaning my head. My hair is basically like right there. Pretty much right here. I hope you guys can see. So, yeah, that's pretty much my hair air dried. As I said, we're doing a beachy wave hairstyle, and yeah, so let's get started. You guys know that my favorite moisturizer is my Neutrogena Triple Moisture, but I'm very much out of that moisturizer right now, so I'm going to substitute the No Drip moisturizer right now and my Hot Six oil. Okay, I'm gonna be doing Bantu knots to do my beach wave, and I'm not gonna be doing a lot of excuse my bra, guys. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of Bantu knots. I'm gonna probably be doing like about six, four in the back and two in the front. So I'm gonna start from this side. Gonna push the rest of the hair back. I'm gonna do this first, this one in the front first. So I'm gonna get a little bit of my S-Curl, not a lot. I hope you guys can see, so not really a lot. I'm gonna rub it from root to tip. I'm not using a lot of moisturizer, guys, because I'm trying not to let my hair weigh down, to be too weighed down. Because as you guys probably, I don't know if you guys realize, I have pretty much fine hair, so my hair tends to weigh down very easily. So when I'm moisturizing, I have to try not to use too much moisturizer. Although I do love moisturizing, especially my Neutrogena. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Hot Six oil, not too much. I'm gonna rub what's left in my hand in the rest of my hair. Then pretty much all you do is you pretty much twist your hair like this. And I'm gonna twist it like probably halfway, or more towards the end. Then you start basically wrapping it in a bun. I'm gonna do it the other way. Alright, guys. Okay. So you're pretty much twisting it, then wrapping it in a bun. And you're gonna continue until you reach the end. You twist it. As you twist it, you spin it around. You twist it, you spin it again. You twist it and you spin it again. You're just gonna continue twisting it and spinning it around the bun until you're towards the end. And then I pretty much just twist it straight around. Some people tend to use like bobby pin when they're doing theirs, but I don't use bobby pins. I just twist it until it's at the end, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So as I said, I'm basically doing about 6. So I'm gonna continue now. I try, when you're doing these kind of styles, you have to try not to use a comb, because when you use a comb to part your hair, you're gonna leave a certain part and you're gonna have a little problem covering the part. So I try not to use like a comb. Okay, so I'm gonna pin one side up so I can do it easier, and then I'm gonna do the backing too. Okay, again I'm gonna use a little bit of extra, no drip, not too much, so my hair is not way down. So a little bit, a little bit of oil, not too much, just a teeny bit. And of course you're doing the same thing. You're gonna twist your hair like this, and you're gonna spin your hair in like a bun. And as you twist it, you spin it around more. And you're gonna do it until you're at the end. Oh, this one is falling down, guys. I need to do this one again because it's falling down. Hey guys, so I'm just continuous. I'm doing over this one because it's kind of undone once I was at the end, so I'm gonna continue doing this one till you're pretty much at the end. Okay, so this one is pretty good right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the last one at the back right here. As I'm saying, I'm not. What you guys have to understand with these kind of curly styles, the more Bantu knots you do, the tighter the curls you're gonna get. I don't want my curls too tight. As I said, I'm going for more of a beach wavy style, so that's why I'm only doing 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the last one in the back. A little bit of moisturizer, S curl, not too much, and I'm sorry, you guys probably haven't seen me detangle my hair because my hair was basically detangled before, so I'm not gonna I didn't do it again in the video. So yeah, then you get a little bit of oil. Okay, then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna spin your hair like this. You guys can see you're just twisting your hair like that. Then you're gonna do it like you're doing a bun. You're gonna spin until you're at the end, almost at the end. Okay, this one is dropping down again. I'm gonna have to do it again. You have to know that sometimes they give problems, and that's why sometimes people use pin to pin it, but I don't normally use pin. I just normally like to twist it onto the end. So some of them I have to do twice sometimes because they just don't all hold. Okay guys, I'm just trying to finish up on this twist right here. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, since I already did three, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish all the other three sides so that the video is not as long. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish all three and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm back with the result. It has been a couple of hours, so I'm back to show you guys the result of my beach wave. So I'm gonna start by untwining the buns. So I'm just untwining the buns. Just basically, you basically just spin it until it's all the way out to untwine. Okay, so the other side, I basically just spin it to untwine it, just like that. Oh, this side is a little bit more up than the other. Oh guys, one side actually is up than the other, so I'm gonna have to stretch this one out. Okay, so last bun. Okay, so basically after you finish pulling it out, all you're gonna basically do is just to take your time and take the curls apart. So you just take your time and take the curls apart. You take your time because you don't want to mess up the curl pattern too much, although it's more of a messy style, so you don't have to be extremely neat. You just take your time and basically take the curls apart. So I'm continuing to take the curls apart as easy as I can. I'm gonna stretch this one a little bit because it curled up a little bit more than the rest of the curls. So then I'm gonna pretty much take it apart as well. I mean, what I basically like to do is just like shape my hair a little bit, shake it, just to shape the curls together, and then you just pretty much play with it, guys. You play with it to get rid of any parts that you have in the middle of your hair or anything. Basically, just play with your hair. So you continue playing with it to get apart the curls. And as you guys can see, some of the curls on this side kind of went up more than the others, but it's not a big deal because, as I said, this style is basically a messy curl. I mean, you could do a braid, you could do like a bohemian style where you like braid this piece backward and braid a piece backwards as well, but I pretty much just like mine like this. So I'm pretty much continuing to take the curls apart. Gonna shake it. Shake it to shake out the curls. And that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty much it. As I said, basically you just continue playing with your hair till you get the desired fluffiness that you like. So I'm gonna continue playing with my hair. Let me show you guys the back pretty much. Hope no part is showing you the back of my hair because I need to play with it a little bit more to get rid of the part. So this is the side pretty much, and this is the back pretty much. Yeah, so as I said, guys, it's pretty much a messy style. That's why it's called beach. That's why I refer to it as beach wave, or some people refer to it as Bantu knockout, but I refer to it as beach wave. I mean, you could wear it more than one ways. You can wear it to the side. You could probably pin like a section back like this, like wear it like this. So you pin this section, or you can wear it over to one side like this. Really, really cute as well. You could wear it like this as well. Or you could even put it in a ponytail with a clip. Or whatever. You can wear it more than one way. But you guys know I love my hair down. So I would pretty much wear it like this. So I think that's it for this video, guys. I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. I know this video is probably going to be a bit long, guys. I'm gonna try to cut it as much as possible, but it's pretty long, trust me. I'm gonna try to see if I can cut it though as much as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed my beach wave video. I hope I'll do a couple pictures at the end to show you guys more of the curl definition. And that's it, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.